then maybe 4,400 level can also be seen, which is almost 50% retracement. Now we'll see one more stock which is having a potential of similar up move of almost 40% plus in coming months. So in this stock, if you see, after this fall, there has been a continuous uptrend, and if we see, it is moving in a typical five wave Elliott wave move pattern. So in that, this is the first move, then corrective move, then a third move, and now again a correction. Now with this correction, it is following all the guidelines and rules of Elliott wave. So that's why there is a very high probability that now it will give a fifth leg, and we can expect a move from this almost 900 level to this 1350 level. So which is almost again 40%. So now we want to catch this move, which is a very high probability trade, and at the same time the risk is also very less. Now this is related to Elliott wave. Basically, Elliott wave doesn't give us any trade trade setup, but then it gives us a scenario wherein we can understand whether we can go in the long run, on a long side or on a short side, considering the overall Elliott wave theory. So with that, if it has to follow the Elliott wave theory, now we are expecting a wave 5 in this, which is a very big move, almost 40%, and now we want to catch this. So this is basically the scenario. Now the one more reason for this, it will take a support at this level, is basically, if you see, this is monthly chart. Now if we take it to weekly chart, we can see the previous uptrend has started from this level, and now the stock is again at that level. So if you see, there is a multiple times there was an consolidation in this range. So multiple times it has tried to breach this level, but that could not, and once it has breached, it has given a one side move. So from 880 it went to almost 1350 level. So same move now we are expecting, and with that, uh, uh, that is one reason. The another reason is even the option data also suggests that uh, for this current month, that is May month, option data suggests that 900 is having a very strong support zone. There is a very high OI built up at 900 level, so that gives one more indication that 900 will act as a very good support zone. So one is Elliott wave theory also says this can be a support zone. Another, the previous consolidation zone, that is also saying it is an support zone. Third, the previously it started its up move from this level itself, and now again it has come at that level. And the fourth point, what we can see is, now when the price has came at this level, it has the candle what has formed, it indicates that a support is taken, and it is forming a doji type candle. So going further, if we analyze it in further 4 hour time frame, see, from here there was a continuous brutal fall. So there was a gap down, a big candle, and after that also a big gap down. So what we expect after this fall, basically this fall has came from an this consolidation breakage of this consolidation range. So once this range was taken out, this fall was uh, this fall went with a gap down. So now what is expected is this should have continued. So fall off selling should have come. But on the contrary, what has happened? at this particular range, because this is the important range we have just now seen why it is important. So at that range it is taking a support and it is spending a time, that means a consolidation is happening. That indicates that there is a very high probability that now from this level we can expect a good up move. So if we get a up move, that means we can expect that the stock will be moving in wave 5. Another reason is that basically after this impulsive move, that is the third wave, we are able to see a correction wave of three wave pattern, 1, 2 and 3. So this also is following the guidelines and rules of Elliott wave. So considering that all scenario indicates that there is a very high risk, very high probability that we can have a very good risk reward trade, and the reward that is there is almost 40%, and we can keep a stop loss of maybe this 840 or going further maybe 800 level. Why this 800 level? Because if it has to give an impulsive fifth wave, it should not go below this level. That means it should not cross this point number 1, this level. So that level is 812. So price should not come at 811 or 10 level. So if it comes, then this whole logic or the whole theory of Elliott wave is defeated, and then we can't expect this up move. Then there will be we will have to recheck or revisit this wave counting. So considering that it will be giving an fifth wave, so we will be entering into a trade, and this will be obviously a positional trade with reward of almost 40% and risk of 100 points, means maybe around 8-9%. So that way it is a very good risk reward trade, and all the factors are indicating that it can be a very good successful trade. At the same time, if you check it on 1 hour chart, it is showing an RSI divergence. That means stock price is having lower lows. At the same point, RSI is also having a higher lows, so which is a divergent. So this is also a very good indicator that we can have an entry point at this level. One more reason is that, see, in this fall on this 1 hour chart, when we see the volumes are huge, so this fall has come with a huge volume, but after that, after this, these volumes have reduced, and now when the entry has happened, these are the smart players who have entered. So it has come with a very good decent volume, so which is almost comparable with this volumes with which the gap down and the fall has happened. So that also indicates that this will be a very good buying zone club with all the factors that we have seen. So this will be definitely a very good entry point, and we want to enter here. So how exactly we have to enter? Our setups that we have seen, that we can follow, and we can have an entry point, and that's it. Wish you happy trading and enjoy this profit.